Hello everyone. So we can have HTML list also. So basically HTML list consists of two things like unordered list and order list. Obviously unordered means not in the order form, like okay, like when we say 1 2 3 4 5 6, it is in the order form. Okay, when we say A B C D, then it is in the order form. When we say Roman letter 1 Roman letter 2, it is in the order form. That is order list actually. And when I say unordered, like in Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, we have bullets that a circle form or a square or empty circle. Okay, so we don't give any numbering. Okay, it is unordered. Okay, so exactly how to write unordered list or how to use. So first of all, you have to start your unordered list tag by writing UL. That is the first thing. That means if you are using order list, then you have to write OL. Right now we are focusing on unordered list, so we will write UL. Okay, then we can have many list items, that is LI. Okay, right now only three things: coffee, tea, and milk. So if you have more than this also, then you can write like again LI, again whatever you want to write, and again close of LI. So it is totally based on you how many list items you have. Okay, here you all can see list item and the name of that item, and then close of that LI, that is the first line. Then again LI start, then again that item name and close of LI, then again third one. And once you are done with all the list item, then you can close this UL tag by this forward slash and then UL. So control S and we'll quickly execute this code. See, we are getting coffee, tea, and milk, and the default that on order list they have used is the filled circle. Okay, you can call it as a disk also. Okay, but suppose you want like a empty circle, not the filled circle. Suppose you want, instead of circle, you want different shape like a square. Then what exactly you can write over here? See, with UL you can write style equal to. Okay, and then you can write in double quotation, that is the fixed attribute or fixed name, which is list dash style dash type colon. And if you want circle, that will be empty circle actually, not the filled circle, then you can write circle. Suppose I want that disk also, suppose, then we'll just copy paste this. Okay, and here I will write, instead of circle I will write disk. And suppose you want square, so again copy paste and I will write what, square. Okay, and control S. So I have same thing. Okay, coffee, tea, and milk, but with the empty circle, or it is in the form of disk, or it is in the form of what, square. So control S. Okay, and see here that first three are with the circle, or you can say that empty circle also you can say. And next is the filled circle, or you can say that disk. And the next three is in the form of what, square. So this is all about on order, where order does not matter, or order, it is not in the order form actually. In my next video we will focus on order list. Thank you everyone.